I want to thank you for downloading the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint cheat sheet. In just a few minutes, we're going to send you that cheat sheet straight to your email inbox. In the meantime, watch this video right here as I show you exactly how I use this proven strategy to achieve entrepreneur success without needing large amounts of capital to start up, struggling to face complex regulations and licensing, and finally fighting to secure clients and build a strong reputation. And to make sure you're in the right place to show you that this is just not another theory, this is the exact system we've used to help fire alarm technicians looking to start a new career in the fire alarm business, security industry professionals looking to secure fire alarm services, and aspiring entrepreneurs in the fire security industry. We show them how to structure their business, create new processes, and get their word out there so they can meet new clients and grow their business. I know you may be skeptical, but this actually works, and I'm going to show you how. So let's be honest, starting a fire alarm company can definitely be challenging. It can definitely be tough. There's no one out there on the market talking about fire alarm or how to even start a fire alarm company successfully. So I know you may be confused and feeling overwhelmed, but I got you. Here's why most professionals struggle to start a fire alarm company. There's lack of capital, assuming that you need a large budget to actually start a fire alarm company. You have regulatory hurdles, actually getting and obtaining your fire alarm license. And lastly, securing clients, figuring out how you can stand out in a crowded market. If any of this sounds familiar, these are just symptoms of a bigger problem. There's still a lack of clarity and no step-by-step roadmap to get you from one point to the next. You need a proven system that'll take you from A to B with ease. That's why I created the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. It is a 9-step roadmap to success, your fire alarm success. And here's how it works. Step 1, we have the structure selector. Here, we're gonna set your business up. We're gonna get you an EIN, and we're gonna get you to open up business bank accounts. Step 2 is the license navigator. We're gonna show you how you're gonna get your fire alarm license. Step 3 is the insurance strategist. We're gonna show you the exact insurance you need to protect you and your employees when you're running a fire alarm business. Step 4 is the market monster. We're gonna show you how you can stand out in a crowded market. Step 5, vendor guide. We're gonna show you how you can get vendor credit up to $100,000. Step 6, certification accelerator. We're gonna show you how you're gonna get your minority certification, whether it be DBE, MWBE, or MBE. We're gonna show you how you get all those certifications. Step 7 is contract navigator. We're gonna show you how you can win government contracts. Step 8, brand architect. We're gonna show you how you can build a brand that everyone loves. Step 9, funding tool, the most important module in this whole entire course. I'm gonna show you how you can get money into your fire alarm business even if you just start. Each module is designed to eliminate all the guesswork and get you real results fast. So if you're serious about gaining the exact roadmap on how to build a successful fire alarm business, book a strategy call with me now. In just 30 minutes, we'll identify what's holding you back, map out a clear step-by-step strategy, and determine if you're a good fit for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. Now, this program is for you if you are self-driven and highly motivated, if you're open to learning and receiving feedback, and passionate about technology and also fire alarm. If that's you, click the link below and schedule your free strategy session. I look forward to speaking with you.